When you hear about the golden rule, the words "do unto others as you would have them do unto you" would most likely come to mind. But the golden rules that we have in this video have a different goal, and that's to increase the quality of your life little by little every day. That's if you stick to these rules, of course. So, future billionaire, be sure to keep on watching till the end because these golden rules might surely bring you to the path of success. Dream big and listen to your heart. One of the golden rules to be successful is to dream big for your future. You might be familiar with the question, what do you want to be when you grow up? Since we were young, we were already told the same question over and over again. And now that we're older, we eventually realized that this question might really give us a chance to realize what we really want to achieve in the future. This might help us realize our dreams, though at an early age, we really don't have a clear set of goals in mind yet. But as time passes by, we then realize that every moment counts. Dreaming high might serve as our basic foundation for success. If we just follow our dreams and set our goals in mind, we can be who we want to be. There might be a scenario that what you choose for yourself might possibly be dictated by society, but you need to follow your heart in setting your dreams. Don't let others dictate your future. Be who you are and follow your dreams. Learn new things every day. To be successful, you need to be knowledgeable in every aspect of life. Knowing nothing will not be a good excuse in the future. If you're lacking in a certain area, it would be good if you would focus on learning about it. Instead of idling all day long, why not try to learn new things and enjoy your day by expanding your knowledge about the things around you? People tend to continuously learn as they grow older, and as time passes by, there are lots of changes that we might encounter. In order for someone to quickly adapt to its environment, learning should be needed. One of the golden rules for success is learning new things. If you continuously learn things every day, you might just be surprised on how far you can go in the future. You might not just reach your goals, but also can be a good role model for the next generation. Stay healthy and active. Health is wealth is a famous phrase that only a few people understand the meaning behind. In today's generation, people are continuously chasing their dreams, money, and fame without realizing that they are already abusing their own health. Due to some circumstances, some people might neglect how important their health is. Imagine working more than 8 hours a day. You not only abuse your health, but also shorten your lifespan. What would happen to the money you earned if you fall ill? Surely, this hard-earned money will just be used in treating your illness until you were left with nothing else. So as young as you are, you need to take time to take care of your health, doing some exercises, eating healthy foods, and having proper rest and good sleep. You don't want to ruin your future just for an illness, right? So as long as you're healthy, keep on giving importance to your health because good health can give you more wealth in the long run. Learn to save time and money. Try to learn how to use your time wisely when you can raise money, but you can't take back your wasted hours. So learn how to write a journal for the next day, week, month, and year. It would be better if you plan a schedule for every hour and make a timetable for your job list every minute before you start taking action. You will control yourself in this way and save time for the next action. We all know that time is money, so if you start investing your time, it will eventually help you plan another move where you can produce more income. And the most important thing for a good life is to learn how to save money in a difficult time, as no one knows their fate. So prepare to get ready for the bad scenario by saving at least 20% of your gross earnings to investing in your best future plans. Respect your family. This is a very basic concept for you to be good in your life. As we have not seen God through our naked eyes, one does assume that He is among us and that He is helping us in good and poor times in the form of family members, friends, or mentors. I agree that your greatest friend is your mom, as she will always stand by you in whatever situation of your life. So give them complete love and gratitude. And vice versa, you'll get the same thing. Again, in real life, our true gods are ancestors. If you love them and share blessings on yourself, then no one in this world will hinder you from succeeding in your life. Believe in yourself. Having confidence in one's life is as vital as getting a fragrance in a flower. Without self-esteem, our life becomes like a living corpse. No matter how good a person is, he can do nothing without confidence. Self-confidence is the pillar of performance. because of a lack of self-confidence in an individual has reservations about the work he has completed. Nothing is impossible in the world. The main enemy of self-confidence is the doubt of failing to do any task. And to eradicate fear, do the job you fear and make it happen. Your enemy is yourself. If you let the voices in your head overpower you, you might not be able to achieve your goals and become successful. Nothing defeats a successful man. So think positive and have faith in your own potential. Be independent. Most people think several times before they do any job. They usually cared about what other people think or say about them by doing the task. And then they are unable to make choices and keep wondering, and time falls out of their hands like water. Those people lament it. If you want to do something, just do it. You don't need to care too much about what others might think of you. Do what you think is best. Because there's not any sort of job that's going to be loved by all people. At present, the happiness of most people depends on certain conditions. Those people are happy under favorable circumstances and depressed under unfavorable cases. For instance, if a person's job is finished, he would be pleased, and he might feel sad if the work is undone. But no matter what, be content in any case, since the outcome or circumstance is not in our hands. If you become unhappy because of things or circumstances that are not under your control, then this results in a waste of time and regretting the future. Live in the present. According to psychologists, between 70 to 90% of the time, most people think about the past, the future, and other pointless things. History gives us insight and we have to prepare for the future. But that doesn't mean that we need to waste all our time thinking about the past. Don't dwell in the past, since time would not ever come back, and you can't relive the life you had before. Learning from past mistakes would be better than trying to think about what you did wrong. You've given many chances to redeem yourself for your past mistakes. If you keep on looking back behind those old memories, you won't be motivated on looking at the future and living at your present. If you want to be happy and successful, then stop thinking about the things you can't change and control. You need to learn from your past, live for your present, and prepare for your future. Work hard and focus. Hard work doesn't just mean physical labor. Hard work can be both physical and emotional. Experience has proven that emotional hard work is more important than physical hard work. Some people make the goal too high, then don't practice hard, and so keep adjusting their goals. And those people keep dreaming. But with just hard work, nothing can be achieved, even how hard you work. But if you won't put your heart into it, you probably might just leave the unfinished task. With hard work and commitment, the most challenging job becomes simple. Be practical. Wherever a practical person goes, he fills the world with pleasure. People like this are seen from the point of view of society. These people act with gentleness and a smile, and they are always happy to support. If you want to be successful, you need to have a rational approach in everything that you do. Being practical is somewhat essential in building a good character to survive in the challenges of society. As the great Theodore Roosevelt said, be practical as well as generous in your ideals. Keep your eyes on the stars, but remember to keep your feet on the ground. Have you found the golden rules for success interesting? Let us know by leaving a comment below. And because you're still here, we got some bonus info for you guys. Would you like me to give you a formula for success? It's quite simple, really. Double your rate of failure. You're thinking of failure as the enemy of success, but it isn't at all. You can be discouraged by failure, or you can learn from it. So go ahead and make mistakes. Make all you can, because remember, that's where you will find your success. Thanks for watching, Future Billionaire. Enjoyed what you saw? Deposit a like, and be sure to join the Future Billionaires Club by hitting subscribe and ringing the notification bell to keep up to date with our entertaining uploads. And check out these other amazing videos we've selected for you next.